Everybody, today we are doing a question from CSIR Net, June 2017. Question is from part B. Question is, for a greater than 0, the series sigma n is equals to 1 to infinity a raised to natural log n is convergent if and only if 0 less than a less than e, 0 less than a less than or equal to e, 0 less than a less than 1 by e, 0 less than a less than or equal to 1 by e. So we have been given a series sigma n is equals to 1 to infinity a raised to natural log n, and we have to find in which of the following regions the series will be convergent. So consider a is equals to e. Alright, so if we consider a is equals to e, then the series becomes sigma n is equals to 1 to infinity e log n, that is sigma n is equals to 1 to infinity n, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on, and it is a divergent series. And if at a is equals to e the series is divergent, then option 2 cannot be correct. So option 2 can be eliminated. Then the next thing which we should know is what is 1 by e. So 1 by e is basically equal to approximately equal to 0.37. Alright, so 1 by e is approximately equal to 0.37, and therefore we have 0 less than 1 by e less than 1 less than e, this inequality. And if we put a is equals to 1 by e, then the series is sigma n is equals to 1 to infinity 1 by e log n, that is sigma n is equals to 1 to infinity 1 by e log n, that is sigma n is equals to 1 to infinity 1 by n, and it is also a divergent series by p series test. Alright, so the interval including 1 by e can also be eliminated. So obviously option 4 cannot be true. And if we consider option 1, then option 1 also include 1 by e in it. So option 1 is also false, and therefore option 3 is the correct answer. So the correct answer is option 3. Thank you.